up and welcome back. I wanted to start the vlog by sharing something amazing because we recently received an amazing, very functional grill caddy that I did not imagine that there is something like that existed, but I'm actually very happy with it, and I'm gonna show you because I'm gonna install it right in front of you and show you how it works and how amazing it is. So let's go ahead and install it. So this is the grill caddy. Just have to snap this in here like this. This is what I was talking about. You just have to tighten it all the way up so it's nice and tight, both of these, and it's literally that simple. There's a paper towel hook that you can also hook it in here, just like this. It goes in here like this. These are the small hooks that can go here on the side like this. Oops. To hang your spoons, any of your cooking materials. So this is how it looks. It's super simple. You hang your hooks, your cooking spoons and whatever. You can keep your ketchup, mustard, oil, sauces, and this is the bounty holder. So you take the bounty and you put it right in there. So no more calling for help, like to people like, hey, can you get me a bounty, can you get me this or that. So this is super convenient in my opinion. This is what I was talking about. You can hang your hooks, your cooking spoons and stuff, and also this is magnetic. Look, so if you are cutting anything, you can always hang up you stick your knife to this thing and it's safe. It is so cool. I love it. I absolutely love it. All right, I'm cleaning the house right now, and Aiden is a little sick because he had fever all night yesterday, and then this morning also we gave him medicine. But are you feeling better now? Yeah. Okay, and he wants to make a date cake with me. So yeah, you guys saw that I assembled the grill caddy, so I wanted to grill something, but because since he's sick, I don't wanna do it today and increase my work for myself. But it's okay, I can do it some other day. It's already installed, so I can just use it whenever I want. And also my vacuum, I love this vacuum. It's from Tinaco, and then let me show you the actual rod. Maybe don't open it, it'll all fall. Let me finish up cleaning, and then I can help you make the date cake. So this thing is not working basically. Whatever the wire is inside this that connects the machine and the brush is not working. So this is how I'm using my vacuum right now, because I have to order a new replacement for that. So this is, until then, this is how I'm gonna use my vacuum.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
You guys know that we are moving. So Mayan's office is in a mess right now because we have to put all the papers and everything in boxes. So we got something really amazing to store all the papers, and it's like a file holder with different colors that you can recognize with. So that's why it's really amazing. Mayank is gonna share a small clip here so you guys can understand it better. But I think this is going to be our lifesaver for all the papers that's in his office.
I've been packing up my office space, which is a literal mess right now, and we got this little organizer. You can open it like this. It has all these pockets. It comes with these labels. By default it has all the month labels if you want to use them, but if not, you don't have to. You can always use the empty ones. You can stick those labels over here so that it's visible what you're putting in each pocket, and that's it. And then you can just store it, which is fairly simple. Like I was saying, it's a hot mess here, and I am gonna be using this to organize all those papers that we are getting from the housework or all of this stuff that we are into. So pretty useful. I like it. It's all paper, so it's not plastic. Definitely love it. If you guys want to try, do check it out.
I'm making date cake, and because Iron wants to bake a date cake with me, so that's what we are doing, I guess. It is a super simple cake. It doesn't need any kind of refined sugar or any kind of sugar. The sweetness, yeah, okay, the sweetness comes from the dates, so it's perfect. And then you can add nuts and chocolate chips and all that stuff to it. So all you have to do, it's very simple. I am gonna do it in steps, and I'm gonna show you. Boil the milk, which is almost done here, and then I am gonna put the dates here, pitted dates. So not add the seed, because then you're not gonna be able to blend it. So pitted dates, you have to pour them here and let it soak and soften up for about an hour. So you can just boil the milk, put the dates, leave it aside for an hour, and then when I do the next step, I'll show you.
It's all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
I'm making lunch for myself, and I'm making the normal lentil salad that I make, that I eat with cottage cheese. So that's what I'm making, and it's a very simple recipe. I like to make extra because I also like to eat it for breakfast. So over here all I have is lentils, green peppers, cucumbers, cilantro, onion. You can also add shredded carrot if you have, and cabbage, all the stuff. I don't have shredded carrot and cabbage, so I'm not adding that. And then I made a simple dressing of lemon juice, olive oil, nutritional yeast, this one for cheesy flavor, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, balsamic vinegar, not balsamic, rose vinegar, and that's it. I think I'm just gonna add it in here. I don't like using a lot of store-bought dressings because I don't know, I feel like there's an unnecessary extra calorie, and it doesn't even taste that good all the time. Like, so at home you have so much options of doing whatever you want with this thing. Yeah, I need to add maybe some more salt.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Let's try it. Absolutely delicious. This is how I like to eat it. I have cottage cheese here at the bottom, and then I put the lentil salad and some chips, and that's it. This is how I like to eat it. It's the best combination.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
I already made the date cake because I was so busy, and then I forgot to shoot it, but I made it in a bundt cake shape. When I cut it, I will show it to you guys. It's still very hot, so I'm letting it cool down, but I will write the recipe in the description box below so you guys can check it out. It's a very simple recipe. And we are going to Target because Mayank wants to buy a toy for Aiden since he's sick. So he said, let's go buy a toy for Aiden. So that's what we're gonna go do. That Aiden picked. Aiden, can you show everybody your toy that you picked? What kind of toy is this?
A transporter.
A transporter that has an bulldozer.
And what is this? What is this? It is a
He's just excited. A bulldozer, and what's that on the other side? An excavator.
Oh, are you taking it?
So he picked a big toy today. That's what he wanted. And then also the cake is cooled down. So let's cut the cake and see how it turns out. We're making Maggie for dinner because Mayank said that not everybody is feeling well, so we need a good flavor in our mouth. So Maggie is gonna do that thing.
Alright, anybody who has grown up eating Maggie when you just recovered from...
Or have a hangover.
Yeah, after a hangover, or when you were feeling sick. Let me know in the comments that did you feel the same way? That Maggie just opens up your flavor.
Yeah, fix it. If you break it like this, how will it work? There you go, it's fixed. Alright, let's cut it. Why, baby? Mommy wants to eat it. So look at that. I'm gonna eat it. Well, I am going to eat it, sir.
Wait, it's too far.
Get mommy eat it with her hand like this. Like
What happened? What happened?
Mmm. It is so good. The flavor is on point. Look at that. It has no date and it has no sugar. The sugar only comes from dates. And then I also add a little bit of chocolate chip. But if you want, you can totally skip that. So good. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
And you wanna try it?
No.
Okay.
It's messy. I eat a bulldozer. Looks like a bulldozer. I think I
This cake, I love it with coffee. It's like perfect. So Mayank promised me that he will help me pack 2 boxes every day. Right, babe?
Yes.
So hopefully we start that from today.
looks like
Did we tell them our closing date?
I don't remember.
I don't think so.
Spoken with them in a very-
Do you want to tell them now?
Yeah. All right, guys. So our closing date is here, which is in 2 months from now, 2.5 to be accurate. It's on January 21st. So finally, for those who are watching us from India,
No, baby, because the baby will fall.
closing date equals to what we call registry back in India, when you actually get your loan dispersed and you finally get your house keys and everything. Baby, what do you need?
But wait, this is spices that daddy needs to add in the noodles and Maggi.
That's another thing I'll tell you. So yes, our closing date is January 21st. We are super excited. We are starting to pack everything. I've committed to pack 2 boxes a day. I also got my flu shot and COVID shot today, booster. And Tanya's appointment is coming up upon us very soon as well. Making some Maggi. For those who do not know, I add curry masala in addition to the Maggi masala. So if you have never tried it, please do try it. 2 secret ingredients. 1, curry powder, and 2, lemon. Your Maggi is gonna be, I'm telling you, it's super delicious with these 2.
open it like this.
Excuse me?
He goes to the freezer, he will take it out on his own and he will like, come on, let's eat this.
What are we gonna eat first? What are we gonna eat first? No, you know it. We are gonna eat the dinner, Maggi noodles first, and then I'm going to eat the ice cream. See, you have cough in here, right? You're taking medicine. We want it to come out. With ice cream, it will go back in. So we cannot have the ice cream first, okay? We are gonna have very delicious, soupy, hot Maggi noodles. And then we can have the ice cream. Until then, can you show me how to pick up the toys with the bulldozer? Can you show me that? How do you... Okay, I will go get it. Okay, let me...
Ideal's Maggi, vegetable Maggi is ready. Let's go. Start feeding him. Woohoo!
Give it to me.
Yeah, move your iPad. Oh, careful. It's a little hot, okay? So we have to cool it down.
I just hard.
You want fork?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
White red potatoes.
Potato?
Carrot.
Tomato. Yeah, there's carrot. And green peas, delicious. Can I get a kiss? Oh, Tiku!
It's it.
Yeah, can I cool it down for you?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Here, give me the fork.
Don't you?
I'm not gonna feed you, I'm just gonna cool it down. We also have a very busy day tomorrow.
Eat.
Yeah, try it. Good?
Oopsie.
Yummy? But also my bounty liya na? We also have a busy day tomorrow because we have to go to the new house tomorrow since we have 3 people coming to give us quotation for... Baby, that must be hot. Cool it down. Do you see steam coming out?
Try
You try it. Take a small bite and see. Hot? Or good?
it. Yeah, I love it. Let's eat it.
Okay, eat it. Good? Not hot?
What?
What? No, I'm talking to Aiden. So we have 3 people coming, fence people coming to give us quotation. They're gonna see, like calculate the area and stuff and then give us a quotation. So we have to go tomorrow for, it's like 5, 5:30 and 6. So that's what we have tomorrow. And in the morning, hopefully I can finish some videos and do some packing. Right, Aiden? Are we gonna pack the pack some boxes tomorrow?
Yeah.
Pack 4 boxes.
Let's pack 4 boxes tomorrow. Are you gonna help mommy and daddy pack some boxes, all the decoration and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are watching the Buckingham Mothers on Netflix. And I don't know, I keep calling it the Buckingham Palace.
Yeah, because it just goes well like that, I guess.
But yeah, Maggie's here. Some Coke. I recently did an ASMR with
soda.
Coke and fried chicken. Oh my god. I honestly, yeah, it's soda. I enjoy doing it. So you guys should go and definitely check out the short. It was my first ASMR, by the way. And it was like a random afternoon. And I was like, let me just do this. So, yeah. How is it? Oh, you haven't tried it yet?
Mm-hmm.
Let me try.
You try it. With some veggies and stuff.
Yeah. Also, the height for new people who don't know, like who recently joined this channel, this height is because we don't have a dining table. This is a folding table that we are using as dining table right now because we don't have any furniture. With the couch, and this is a patio furniture couch. So that's why the height differences.
Looks like the table is to the chest.
Anyways, we're gonna enjoy it.